Welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here in the DC office with Natural Transplants. We have a special guest today, Stephanie. Stephanie, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing great.
Doing okay?
Thank
All right. You are not the local Maryland, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, excellent. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for kind of sharing your story with everybody.
Mm-hmm.
And if you wouldn't mind letting everybody know sort of why you're here, how you found us, that sort of stuff.
Okay. So I'm Stephanie. I found Dr. Blumenthal when I was researching hair transplants. Sort of all my life, I've always struggled with a thin hairline and also a high hairline. I've not ever liked my forehead.
Mm-hmm.
So I've tried all kinds of different things. I've tried protective styles. I've tried minoxidil or everything.
Yeah.
So I was looking at hair transplants for a while, but everyone kind of suggested traveling abroad, which I didn't want to do.
Mm-hmm.
So I started looking locally, and I found you guys. And I was more interested in this place because I saw that they dealt with people who had my hair type, specifically Black women. I saw more of Black women on your page. So that's kind of how I ended up
Excellent.
here.
Well, I'm honored to be part of your journey. Thank you so much for doing that. And you're right. Most docs that do these surgeries typically work with straight hair, old white guys. So that's a super important. I always tell patients the most important thing is whatever hair type you have, make sure the doctor has a ton of experience working with your hair type. That's the number one factor. So excellent. Well, we're happy to have you. We'll draw it all out, and then we'll come check in with you in a little bit later. Sound good?
Okay.
Excellent.
Perfect.
All right, so I'm going to have Ron zoom in and just sort of take a closer look. As Stephanie said, she's always had a higher forehead, a little bit of a widow's peak in the past. There's been a little bit of thinning and recession here, but it sounds like it's always been a little bit on the higher side. And she wears her wig somewhere around here. You can kind of tell where the color. You were vacationing recently, right? Where'd you go?
Mexico.
Oh my gosh, that's great.
Yeah.
So you can see where the color changes. So we're going to use that as a guide, and that'll be the line. All right. Cool. All right. We'll check in with you in a few.
Okay.
We are back. As you can tell, we're back with Stephanie. We drew the line. Relatively aggressive, but I still think it looks nice and natural. So we put it maybe just a hair, no pun intended, a hair or two behind where she wears her wigs normally, but I think it looks nice and natural. You're happy with it. I'm happy with it.
Yep.
We got a couple of Valium on board. You doing all right?
I'm doing
all right.
great.
Let's do this. We'll see you a little later, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, we are back with Stephanie. Congratulations. You finished. How did the day go? Be honest with everybody.
No, it went awesome.
Yeah.
Dr. Blumenthal was great.
Oh, thanks.
Walked me through everything, talked me through everything. Good. I just felt very comfortable throughout the whole proceeding.
Any surprises, or was it about what we said it would be?
No, it was about what you said it would be.
Good.
It took as long as you said it would be, and I'm already impressed with the results. I'm looking forward to.
I love it. It's a great line on you. We had a really fun day today. I'm going to zoom in. You took a little bit of a nap here and there, but we had fun. Watched a couple Oceans 11 and 12 or whatever it was. I love it. Looks really, really nice. I love the line on you. I think it looks nice and natural on you. Congratulations.
Thank you so
Welcome
much.
to the family. You did fantastic. Any words of advice you would give yourself or, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, or someone else that's kind of, looking around?
I would definitely say if you're already researching this, definitely go ahead and do it.
Yeah.
It's not, I don't know. I think I was nervous about the pain, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
You said it really sort of intimidated you, let you heard some stories.
Yeah.
It wasn't nearly as bad as you thought it was going to be. That's good.
Yeah.
You were a rock star today. You did fantastic. Thank you so much for doing this. Like I said, welcome to the family. Hopefully we'll keep tabs on you and we'll see you in a year.
All right. Thank you so much.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.